Hey you all, today I'm going to be doing, I finally received, actually it only took them a couple weeks, they said about 6 weeks, I got it back sooner. I'm going to try to give Strider, they're saying this whole thing, what's happened with the pitting on one of my Dwyer custom grind S&Gs. So here we go, my first unboxing video. For some reason I sent it in a cold steel box. I'm kidding. I sent it to him with a cold steel box. Here we go. Dwayne initially did not want to help me on a $700-800 knife. He said, do it at home. You will perform your own maintenance. So, black oxide. That's what he said. So they've converted the blade. Oh my gosh, you guys got to see. I mean, this is amazing though, I think. They converted the blade over to a different finish. Check my other videos when I was bitching about the pitting or the corrosion on the original finish. It was like a combination bead blast, I think, and then you had the satin finish towards the lower part where the grind is, on the hollow grind. You had a satin finish, and then up here it was textured in a way that would, it's reminiscent of a bead blast with the original one. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's almost like a Transformers cartoon or something when like Megatron was like reborn. Oh man, it's kind of cool. So I'm fair. They tried, and they did a very good job delivering on this one, from what I can see. Custom grind, Dwayne Dwyer S&G. He did the grind himself, the co-founder of Strider, and I'm quite impressed with this. So they have spoken, and I'm speaking on their behalf today. Man, shout outs. My channel would have not received the success that it has to date if it weren't for people like LSU Tigers 1010, the Cajun Blaze. I met LSU Tigers 1010 first, and then through LSU Tigers 1010 I met the Cajun Blaze. Both great guys, both South Louisiana Podnas. Mr. Jimbo Fox, Bankmine 80, John Wayne Colt 45, Abominable, Sever Zero, Ted Braden, this guy named Big Guy who requests that my Billy puppets from Saw make more frequent appearances. And that'll happen. That'll happen to add that edge that I'm looking for in my videos. Anti-X Bush, my good man Nate 3993. I'm just going off memory here. I'm just kind of rattling these things out. Oramoto. You know, I hate doing this because then I may forget somebody that I think is really cool. If I forgot your name, I will mention you and give you cred where it's due for your continued support of my channel. Thank you all for watching today. Mr. Jimbo Fox, I hope I mentioned him. He's been great. Bye.